Hello guys, I welcome you once again. Let's talk about how to attract money into our life. Some people are using money magnet perfume to attract money. Some people are killing human being to attract money. Some people are doing a whole lot. Let me know in the comment section, what have you tried and has really attract money into your life? Let me know in the comment section. Or do you know something which can really attract money? Let me know in the comment section so that we learn together. But in this video, I want us to discuss about how to attract money in a simple way without blood or anything or any stress. It's just a simple way. Onion can attract money. Bay leaf can be used to attract money. But which one have you tried? But let's look at some of these procedures. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of things to share with you guys. Do you know that if you eat mango and as you are eating a mango attract houseflies. If you are chewing a sugar cane also attract houseflies. Same applies to money. There are things that you can do which can attract money into your life without wasting much time or without prayer. Let's go on. If you have any question, please bring your comment and I'll answer you. Feel free. If you need my number too, I can give you my number so we can discuss. Let's go straight to the point. There are some simple ways that you can try to attract money. One thing is you have to get the coins. If you the coins that you people use in your country, when you get the coins, like 7 coins, yeah, when you get the coins, you will need perfume, the perfume that you use to spray. Yeah, the perfume that you use, your body perfume. You spray on the coin 7 times or 3 times. Say whatever you want to say. You are attracting money, so you have to say to the universe that you need money. After this direction, money should flow in your life. When you do, after praying, say whatever you have to say again. After saying this prayer, the money should be in your right hand. Then spray on the money. Then when you are going to bath, put the money into the bathing water, the water that you are going to bath. Please, this one you don't need to use soap or sponge. Listen to me carefully. You don't need to use soap or sponge. So you put the coins, after spraying the coins, put it into the water. Take it to the bathroom and bath with it. Whilst you are bathing, say your prayer. You have to try this 7 days for 7 days. All these things must be done either early in the morning or in the evening when you are going to bed. Try doing these things for 7 days. This is really powerful, but some people think unless you go through some stress and all that before you. No. Let's move to another point. You can get any amount of money. Paper. This one should be a note, a paper. When you get it, place it into your palm, in your right palm. Add sea salt onto it. When you add a sea salt, say whatever you want to say. Remember, it's money that you are attracting. So say something concerning money. Maybe you need money urgently to do something. You need money urgently to pay a bill. Put the money in your palm, the paper money that you get in your palm, add salt on it. Let me tell you something. Later on, I will explain certain things for you to understand deep. But if you have tried something and that's really well for you, let me know in the comment section. And also let me know where you are watching from. You are watching this video from. So put the money in your palm, add the salt, pray on it. When you pray on it, remember you have already fed the water you are going to bath. This one is also another powerful procedure. The water that you are going to bath in a bucket. Most of the times, directions like this need the bucket that you are going to bath in it should be a new bucket. And let me tell you one secret. A lot of people are rushing to do directions which are not really working for them. There is a secret behind. One secret that you need to know is that after having sex with your partner, or after being there for a while or for a month or some weeks, you have to cleanse yourself. Either than that, the direction that you are going to do will never work. There are some of you, you have been doing some spiritual directions, but things are not working out for you. The main reason is that some of you, you have been to different places, you have been having sex with your partners and all that, and you have get connected with bad energies, promise and faith and bad lucks. So when these bad spirits or bad energies are with you, no matter the amount of direction that you do, things will not work out for you. You have to cleanse yourself. So if you need directions on how to cleanse yourself, let me know in comment section. I will help you with it. So you have to do spiritual cleansing to disconnect yourself from bad energies before you try any spiritual directions, so that it will work perfectly for you. Either than that, when you do any spiritual direction, the bad energies and bad lucks and promise and faith will stop the blessings that's coming up your way, or the testimonies coming up your way. That's the secret you need to know. So I keep telling you guys that after having sex with your partner, you need to cleanse yourself. Cleanse yourself to stop bad energies from your way. So let's move on. So after placing the money in your palm, add a sea salt. When you add a sea salt, then you fold your palm like this, you fold your hands like this. Then put your hands into the water, leave the salt into the water, and bring out the money fast so that it doesn't get wet. You bring out the money. Please, if you don't understand something, let me know in the comment section, and I will explain everything to you well so that you understand it well. So when you bring the money, leave the salt in the water. Then after that, pray on it. Place the money in your room or somewhere. Then go and bath with it. You pray on it, then you bath with it. This thing that I'm telling you is very powerful, and you bring me a testimony. Things that I've been telling you guys here is something that have been done and has been confirmed that it really works. So after praying on the water, bath with it. This thing, you are going to do it only in the morning. So after doing this thing, then you have to continue it the next day. You are going to do this for 7 days. 7 is a prophetic number. It's a spiritual number. Okay, so you have to continue it for the next day till 7 days, and things will change for you. Okay, another thing is that we are trying to do things to attract money. Remember, money is a spirit, and if you don't attract it, or you don't call the spirit of money, money can never come to your aid. That's what you need to know. Okay, so if you want to attract the money, another thing that you need to know, you need onion skin. Onion skin. When I say onion skin, after peeling the onion, the skin that you get, like the rubber one, it is really powerful. It attracts money. Listen to me. Money is a spirit. That is why sometimes when you have money on you, you forget about all your problems. When you have money, you don't even remember you have some problems in your life. When you have money, even if you are sick, the sickness disappear. This should tell you that money is a spirit. So you have to attract it. Either than that, you are not going to get money. So let's move on. You need an onion skin. When you get onion skin, gather plenty as you can. Please, if you haven't watched how to do the pocket no dry, you have to go to the videos toward that video. I've done one of the videos concerning how to do pocket no dry. For that one, money will continue to stay on you. Okay, let's move on. So when you get the onion skin, you get enough as you can. In the evening, set fire in a coal pot or anything that you can get. Set fire, add charcoal, set fire in it. Not a wood, you need charcoal. When you get a charcoal, set fire, put the onion skin in it, into the fire, and allow the smoke to overwhelm your area or the room and pray with it. It is done. That's all. Continue doing this. You can do this at your workshop. You can do this at your office. You can do this at your room. Continue to doing this in the night and sit on the floor. Say whatever you want to say. Call the spirit of money into your life. And trust me, if you have money already, it's going to be in abundance. And if you don't have money at all, money is beginning to flow in your life. This is a spiritual directions that those powerful men, they know. But unless you ask them before, they will tell you. The next one, soak bay leaf. Bay leaf is another powerful plant that you can even use it to open your third eye. It is really powerful. You can use it to get prophetic dreams. If something is about to happen, bay leaf can help you to know that thing before it happens. So when you get the bay leaf, soak it in the water. Add cinnamon powder. Leave it for the next day. Bath with it. Most of the times, I like doing directions in the midnight. There's a reason why. So when you soak it for the next day, bath it with it when you're going to bed. Don't cleanse yourself. Allow it to dry on you. Try doing this for several days, and you will thank me later.